Sir, up to this, we covered what are various types of inheritance and a special discussion happened on multiple inheritance. There is one more type of inheritance is there, sir. What is that? Is cyclic inheritance. What is that concept, sir? Cyclic inheritance. Such type of concept not supported in Java. But anyway, what is the meaning? Why it is not required? Observe that. Here I am taking class A. Class A extends A, sir. Are you getting? Class A extends A. One scenario. Class A extends B. Class A extends B. Class B extends A. Class A extends B. Class B extends A. Sir, first observe, A extends A. A is child class of A. A extends B. B extends A. So, A is the child of B. B is the child of A. Now take very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, in this case, do you know, if I am trying to do either first one or second one, compiler will give left and right, because this type of inheritance is called cyclic inheritance, which is not supported in Java. Okay? Not only in Java, sir. Everywhere cyclic inheritance is not supported because it is really not required. Really not required. Why it is not required? Observe that. If I can take class C extends P, sir. Class C extends P. What the meaning of that? Sir, for the P, I am creating child class. Whatever members are there in the P, I want, sir. I don't want to rewrite again. All members of P, can you please make it available to C? For that purpose, for the code reusability purpose, I am creating object. I am creating child class, right? Now observe, in this case observe, class A extends A. Sir, all members of A, I want to A class. All members of A, I want to A class. All members of A are already available in the A class. Why you are writing like this? Immediately compile time error we are going to get. The members of A already available inside A. Why you are taking this one? Unnecessary, sir, extra code. That's why compiler won't accept. Now here observe, class A extends B. Sir, all members of B required to A. All members of B required to A. Next, class B extends A. All members of A required to the B. A required B members, B required A members. If A required B members, B required A member, why you are taking two classes? Better to take a single class. Are you getting? Better to take one single class only, because A required B, B required A. We are not required to take two classes. Sir, all the members only single class is enough. Clear for all of you, right? So that's why cyclic inheritance is not really required. This type of inheritance is called cyclic, which is not really required. That's why Java won't provide support for cyclic inheritance. Not only Java, even Python also won't provide support for that. Now have a look once, sir. Observe carefully. Here I am taking just let me go for class A extends class A, sir. Here extends, sir, one minute, class A extends A. Let me save this code. A.java, like this I am taking. Let me compile this code. Java C, A.java. Sir, observe, class A extends A. Class A extends A. Immediately, cyclic inheritance involving A, like that compile time error you are going to get. Similarly, class A extends B. Class B extends A. Class B extends A. Observe that. Immediately compile time error you are going to get. Here class A extends B. Cyclic inheritance involving A. That's why. So what is a cyclic inheritance? Why Java won't provide support? Why it is not really required? Clear for all of you, right?